Right, everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I have got here all of the yak accessories for the Sobek. You can buy these from a German website. On that website, you can't actually buy them through the website. However, if you email the company, they will sell you these items. So, just to go over what is here, we have got broadhead bolts, carbon broadhead bolts made for the Sobek, a £100 limb and the accessories that go with that, trigger upgrade. You've got speed loaders that hold the broadheads and will cycle them perfectly because some of the other ones won't. You've got the string for the £100 limbs, a foregrip that sort of collapses, whatever you want to call it, and it's got a little compartment in the bottom for your rail lube. And then you've got the stock upgrade, which is fully adjustable. So you can see how good that is. And then you've got the upgrade for the arms. So you've got a nice metal switch there, and this is the upgrade for these to be able to mount the stock and get to use the £100 limbs. Awesome package. I'm pretty sure you can get this whole entire package combined with a Sobek, and it will still cost you less than the next cheapest magazine crossbow. Now, I could be wrong about that, but I think these accessories come to around, even if they came to around about 200 quid for all of that, and you can get this for less than 100, that's 300 quid, and this whole system would piss all over all the other crossbows, in my opinion. And for that kind of price, it's amazing. So, I'm going to fit all this on, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so there you go. That is the Sobek with all the accessories. This isn't all of them, actually. You can actually get an upgrade for this little switch that drops the bolts down. I haven't fitted the trigger, which I'll explain in a minute. And you can get upgradable sights as well. So I'll leave a email in the description and the comments if you want to email the company and ask if they'll sell these to you, because they do have a German website, but that German website will not ship to the UK. However, if you message them privately, they will. So we've got the extendable stock, it's really good, and also this cheek piece goes up and down. I've tightened up so you can't do that though. But yeah, that's great. Got the metal switch now to open the cocking arm, the broadhead bolts which you can buy, the yak speed loaders which will hold the broadheads and they'll cycle perfectly into the magazine, the bayonet I made myself. You've got the handle that they supply that twists up and down and has a little compartment in the bottom. And then there is the upgrade for the trigger, and that also enables you to take the safety out. But because I like having the safety in it, I didn't bother changing that. Also, before I forget, more importantly, £100 limbs. Now, I may find out later that to be able to shoot this comfortably, I may have to do the trigger upgrade. But at the minute, I'm going to leave the standard trigger because I like having the safety. But yeah, if you want to do that very quick shooting that a lot of people like with their magazine crossbows, the upgrade will enable you to take the safety out and put a different trigger system in. That isn't just a pivoting trigger. It's got like a little cog system that pushes a sort of a bar up, essentially. That makes sense. So yeah, absolutely love it. I haven't shot it in this configuration yet, though, and I will, but I think I'll do that in a later video. Just for now, I'll show you what you can get and what it looks like. This mount is from Crossshot UK. I like to be able to have a mount underneath because I think you can get more stuff on that way. It enables you to have a light here, and you can probably put a laser the other side if you wanted to. Also, these bolt covers, tip covers, are from Crossshot UK as well. So is at least one of the speed loaders. You can get various different speed loaders. Yeah, they're the Yak speed loaders. You will need the Yak speed loaders to cycle the Broadheads properly. I have done a video of these Broadheads, and they are made for the Sobek. Work really well. And you can email them for those, and they'll sort you out. So yeah, there you go. Full tests coming soon. Be interesting to see how powerful that 100-pound limb is. And then maybe I'll do a comparison with one with all the features and one without, and see how quick they shoot. If you do buy the accessories, there is a video online. It's all in German, however, it's a full sort of demo anyway, so you don't really need to know what the bloke's saying. You can just watch along. And I think, anyway, nowadays, YouTube, you click a little cog and you can actually change it to auto dubbed. So it'll change it to English for you anyway if you absolutely need that. Yeah, absolutely awesome upgrades. I really like that, and I cannot wait to shoot it. And the only reason I haven't, it's been too hot. It's either always too hot or it's pissing it down the rain. So, yeah, there you go. That is the upgrades you can get for the Sobek. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely subscribe. Leave a comment letting me know what you think. And also, don't forget you can become a member of the channel. And if you do become a member, for as little as £2, you can have access to a private Discord. And you get loads of other little sort of extras as well for being a member. And I say for as low as £2. Right. Cheers for watching. Thank you. See you later.